Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Forget searching for a hidden iPhone clock-in feature. The only truly reliable way to log your work hours in 2025 is by using a dedicated time tracking application. Your iPhone's built-in clock app simply isn't designed for employer-verified timekeeping or integrating with payroll systems. These specialized apps provide the necessary security and data integrity your company requires, making sure your time is recorded accurately every single day. Choosing the right app is crucial. Always prioritize solutions with official integrations that link directly to your employer's payroll system. This ensures your hours are processed correctly and on time, without any manual data entry errors. Additionally, look for features like GPS tracking for location verification and an offline mode, which is vital for uninterrupted clock-ins even without an internet connection. Once you've identified the correct app, download it from the App Store and proceed with your company's login credentials. During the initial setup, you must grant essential permissions, particularly for location services. Selecting Always or While using the app ensures your time is accurately recorded at your designated work sites. Remember to also enable notifications, allowing the app to send helpful reminders so you never miss a clock-in or out. Your daily clock-in process is now remarkably simple. Just open your dedicated time tracking app as you arrive at work, and with a single tap, select Clock In. Some apps might ask you to confirm your current location, which helps verify you are at the correct job site. When your shift concludes, simply open the app again and tap Clock Out, ensuring all your worked hours are precisely recorded for payroll. To streamline your time tracking even further, consider enabling geofencing features within your app. This clever tool can automatically send you notifications to clock in when you arrive at your workplace and remind you to clock out when you leave. Make it a habit to regularly review your submitted timesheets within the app, catching any potential errors early. Utilize any built-in messaging or request features to quickly communicate with your supervisor about time adjustments, keeping everything clear and documented.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.